So the classic cocktail, the Rob Roy. The Rob Roy was created in 1894 at the historic Waldorf Astoria in downtown Manhattan. Rob Roy was basically a Scottish outlaw that became a folk legend, and the bartender wanted to pay homage to that. So instead of using rye whiskey in the Manhattan, he replaced it with Scotch. This is the Rob Roy. First thing you want to do is get a chill pint glass, and you're going to add all your spirits to that. The Rob Roy is 2 parts Scotch and 1 part Antica Sweet Vermouth. The chilled pint glass starts to cool the alcohols, so the ice doesn't have to do quite as much work. Fill the glass with a little ice, and then we're going to stir. We're going to stir until it just cools it just a bit. You don't want to dilute the drink too much. We're going to fill our rocks glass full of ice. Use our strainer. Add a little bitters, just for aromatics. Then we're going to garnish with our brandied cherries. And that's the Rob Roy.